Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. Today I'm back to work, going to try to get a little bit of work done on this CNC plasma cutter. My first project is I have to get this deck off, and it is screwed up from the bottom. What it is two layers of plywood. The top layer is screwed down and glued down to the bottom layer, and then the bottom layer is screwed up from the bottom. So the idea of that is this top one being glued down is when we're running the router, you could get into this a little bit and you wouldn't catch any screws with your bits. So anyway, I am going to try to get this piece off, and then I'll have to try to get this thing leveled up. Boy, that was heavy. 2 sheets of 3/4 plywood glued together. It's a lot heavier than you'd think. So what I've got here, my straps of steel will just go across there from one end to the other, and then that'll hold the sheet of steel that we're going to be cutting. This, I don't know if I've ever mentioned it, this table will cut a 4x8 sheet, so we can do some big parts with this machine. Okay, I got it all leveled. It's leveled and it's real stable. I can bump against it here and it doesn't wiggle at all. Anyway, that's about all I can do with it until we get some things that have been ordered in here. The plasma cutter itself and the new computer. So this will bring us up to date here, and the next installment won't be until after we get some things delivered to us. So anyway, just a quick short video here on the progress. Thanks for watching.